our long-awaited Pilates Punx video. It has been a while since I have filmed anything. I had moved and we bought a house, so we've been working with contractors and doing all these weird new homeowner things. I got a new camera and I am testing out the new camera and the microphone. Test, 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 test. And hopefully this will make my life a lot easier. Instead of having to do a voiceover, I can just talk while I'm working out. So we're gonna do a little quickie video of just a little pre-Pilates warm-up so that even if you are jumping into another person's workout, you can get your body sort of moving with Pilates Punx, or you can use this as we go into any of the other workouts. Or even if you're feeling just kind of stiff, you can take like 5 minutes for your body. After I moved, this was like all I really wanted to do, some nice stretching. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down on the mat and we'll just start off. We're gonna keep our feet planted in line with our hip bones. Our knees are bent. We're hip bone distance apart, which means not the outsides of the hips, but just right in that neutral space. Our arms are long past the hips and we're just gonna get that back flush on the mat. We're gonna take some time to focus on our breath. Nice big inhale in through the nose. We exhale out through the mouth. Again, big inhale, we're gonna draw out to the sides of the ribs, into the upper back. And we exhale, feel that ribcage knit together, same to enable the spine deeper. Again, nice big inhale in through the nose. Exhaling out through the mouth. One more big inhale. Exhaling out all of the breath we just took in. Adding movement to our next inhale. We inhale, tuck the pelvis and lift the hips up to the ceiling, finding a nice high bridge. Exhale, take your arms up and over, all the way back to the mat. Keep the arms reaching back as we round down, upper back, middle back, lower back, sacrum, tailbone lengthens to the mat. We exhale and draw the arms down. Again, we inhale, tuck and lift. Find length in your spine and enable the spine connection. Exhale, the arms go up and over. Keep the arms reaching backwards as we round our way down. Our tailbone lengthens to the mat. We exhale and draw the arms down. Again, inhale, hips lift. Squeeze the glutes a bit. Exhale, take the arms up and over. We have a two-way stretch, so the arms are reaching backwards as we're stretching that back forward. And then we draw the arms back down by our side. Next up is my favorite stretch. We lay on our side for our butterfly stretch. So we're going to line our back up with the edge of the mat here. Our legs are on the tabletop in front of us, which means our knees in line with the hip, the ankles are right under the knees. We're going to take our hands behind the neck and head and close up, the elbows in front of the face. We want you to make sure we're not pulling down on our head. You're keeping that neck long, the whole spine is long. The knees are glued together. Big inhale here. Exhale, open the elbow up and we rotate to look long past it. You're going to check in and make sure your top knee is not sliding back. Big inhale here. And exhale, close. So we're stretching out the thoracic spine, which is kind of that mid-back. Big inhale. Exhale, open up. And when I was moving, all of the kind of crouching down and standing up and lifting boxes, big inhale. And exhale, close. Just made my back feel really stiff when I woke up the next day. This was my favorite stretch to do. Big inhale. Exhale, open up. And you want to make sure your top knee isn't sliding back because we're twisting from above the hips. Deep inhale here. We exhale, close. And we're going to flip to the other side. So we're going to line our back up with the edge of the mat while we lay down on the opposite side. And we take the legs back to tabletop. Our hands go behind the neck and head once again. Our elbows are closed up. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, open up and rotate to look long past that open elbow. Big inhale. Exhale, close. Again, big inhale. Exhale, open and up. Rotate, look long past that open elbow. Big inhale. Exhale, close. One more deep inhale. Exhale, open up. Nice big stretch. Deep inhale. Exhale, we can close. And we're gonna make our way to our hands and knees. So the knees go under the hips, the hands go right underneath the shoulders. So we're gonna start off with a nice and neutral spine, which means that we are keeping length in the spine, our tailbone's lengthening back, the crown of the head is lengthening forward, we're looking down. We're gonna round through our center. So we're gonna scoop the abs in and up, drop the head between the arms, round up, look at the belly button, press up out of the wrist, and then exhale to your neutral spine. Again, scoop the abs in and up, round to the center, and then exhale to neutral. Now in Pilates, we just find our neutral position, but sometimes it feels really good from our cat here to go into a full-on cow, which means we arch back a little bit. We're going to look ahead. We're thinking of the tailbone and crown of the head going closer towards one another. And then we go oppositional, rounding into that cat. And then we sink to the center. So we get a little back extension in this one. So you can do whichever version. You can hold your neutral or you can go into that cat. Let's do one more. Scoop the abs in and up. And then I'm just taking mine to our neutral position, and then we're gonna sit back on the heels and stretch the arms forward, reaching nice and long. Everybody loves a child's pose. Nice big inhale. Exhale, we can round up one vertebrae at a time. Our neck and head are the last thing to come up, and then the last stretch I'm gonna do here, we'll take it back to laying on our back. And we're going to draw the legs together, the knees are touching, the feet are touching. We're going to take our arms back in line with our chest. Your shoulders are tight, you're welcome to bend at the elbows. We want to keep our shoulders flush on the mat. We want to keep the sides of the feet and the knees together. We're going to drop the knees to the right, which means the left foot is going to pick up because the knees want to stay lined up. You don't want that bottom knee sliding back. They go together. Your left hip can lift, make sure your left shoulder doesn't drop as far as you can to the right without the shoulder lifting. Then reach long through that left arm. You're going to stretch that entire left side of your body. We exhale, drop to center, and then other side. Knees go to the left. Keep your right shoulder anchored, keep the knees lined up. Reach long through that right arm, and then exhale down. One more each way. And you would be really surprised sometimes when you feel like you're stiff and you feel sore, the last thing you want to do is exercise, but your body needs to move, and that is its way of telling you it is time to do a Pilates Punx video. Reach long through that right arm, exhale, draw back to center, and then you can lengthen the arms by your side. And that is it for this video. Go ahead and find your next favorite Pilates Punx video and you can get your full workout on. Thanks for joining me and I'll see ya on the next one.